Hello, I'm Elmley Delacour of the AIC. Earlier today, I spoke to Andrew Garside of Livingbridge, fund manager of the Baronsmead VCTs, who were one of the first VCTs to launch back in 1995. I spoke to Andrew about opportunities in the VCT sector.
So interestingly, we found the changes in 2017 very consistent with the investment strategy that we're already following. You already know that we're investing in younger and smaller companies, so that's consistent. I guess a couple of changes. One was encouraging us to invest the capital a little quicker. That's already consistent with our investment rates. And the other change was some rules preventing maybe false capital preservation investments. All our investing is to proper entrepreneurial companies, so that's completely in line with our expectations anyhow. So Livingbridge invest for the Baronsmead VCTs, and Livingbridge has a wider investment mandate with investing in other products. And that's enabled us over the years to invest significantly in 4 sectors. So that's consumer, technology, healthcare, and business-to-business services. And over the years, we've built extensive networks with chief executives, chairs, consultants, advisors in those sectors. And now the new rules are clear for what VCTs can invest in. We've found that those networks are really helpful in introducing us early to some really interesting young companies. I mean, a really good example is a fast fashion business called In the Style. So Livingbridge has got a lot of experience in e-commerce, and we spotted this business earlier as a business that had real traction in its marketplace. And what In the Style is a woman's fast fashion business, but it's got some innovation. It works with personalities that have got particular interest and recognition in the fashion area to collaborate in building ranges. And then it jointly markets the products and the brands with those personalities through social media, for example, through Instagram. We invested in 2017 for 2 reasons. One is to help put a new IT platform in place, and also to help with a new warehouse. We've been particularly useful, I think, in helping the chief executive recruit a new senior team, which has been very time intensive, but we needed some new senior directors to help take the business onto the next level. And then the final area is our experience in e-commerce has really helped them optimize marketing. Well, we look for several things. Obviously, the smaller companies that we're backing are not yet very advanced in P&L, but we're certainly looking for established trading to demonstrate profitable economics and kind of well on the way to a profitable P&L. The other thing we're looking for is a team that understand the growth levers, so they kind of know broadly what they have to do to get more growth, and we can work with them in that area. And then I guess thirdly, we're also looking for a business that ultimately will be one day valuable to other people. I think more than anything, though, we're looking for partnership. So we're looking for a founder or a leader who really wants to value a relationship, and that over the period of our investment, they can continue learning and growing, and we can work in collaboration really well. Well, I think it's a really interesting time for astute VCT investors. Firstly, it's important to understand that the new rules in November 2015 have been well socialised and understood by the broader community. And that means that deal volume should start to increase, and investment rates means that it could be an active time for VCT managers. But maybe a small note of caution. Remember, the VCT industry is backing companies that are slightly less mature than they may have been doing in the past. Therefore, there could be a little bit more volatility on the way to getting the returns. So maybe investors should focus on managers that are sticking to what they know what they're doing, and maybe a strategy of slightly more investments of slightly smaller quantum, and then looking for managers that really want to back their winners and hold their winners for longer.
So it was very interesting speaking to Andrew about the VCT sector, and clearly to hear how well VCTs are adapting to the changes announced in the 2017 budget.